networking philosophy is not about who's the loudest, who's got the most friends, who's got the most Instagram followers, who's best when you go out for a drink and talks to all the strangers. That's not what it's about. It's about the fact that you have to have a genuine interest in other people. I think making connections is much about the sort of science of human psychology and human relationships as anything else. We have a big group. We have a lot of agencies, we have a lot of departments within those agencies, and we have offices in different cities. The key to that is figuring out how you can work together. So you want to foster environments where people are allowed to present their thinking and figure out how you can improve their thinking or advance their thinking. And one of the best ways to do it is to get people who are from very, very diverse and different disciplines in a room to talk about fashion. Yeah, a lot of the best ideas are not new. A lot of the best ideas are just reinterpretation of ideas, like music. But I don't think, I would honestly say, I don't think always striving for difference is the key. I think telling a great story helps set you apart quicker than just being different. This is probably the most exciting time in history to be doing what we all do, because there are so many choices, and whilst that's overwhelming and complicated to some degree, it's also, there's more chance of kind of creating something and leaving eventually a legacy for others.
Thank you, Raoul.
Thank you very much.